Okay, as I mentioned, we have quite a number of things in this topic, right? So the most important key things, other than some terminologies that you need to understand, the exercises you need to know how to do are just these two, right? So the difficulty level and the understanding is about the exercise 1 and exercise 2, right? So exercise 1 is very straightforward, where there are only one set of things on this side, where these are the items sold. Yep, the number of items sold in a day for the past 25 days. So you want to find out what's the chance that the items sold in a given day is exactly 3. Yeah, so this is what you can actually do a planning. So for example, you want to know how many staff you need to allocate for this particular day. So you look at what's the chance that you'll be selling 3 items. So let's say this is a washing machine that you're going to sell. So how many staff you need to allocate for this? Anyway, that this day you're going to sell 3. So what's the chance you're going to sell 3? You'll be 3 out of 25. So it's 3 out of 25 is 0.12. So you just 12% chance. Would you want to get more staff to stand by? I don't think so. Okay. So how about less than 2? Less than 2, that means not inclusive of 2. Less than, that means either 1 or 0. So 1 will be 0 will be 6 and 1 will be 10. So you get 16. Then the probability is at 0.64. C, at least 3. Another way of using at least 3 means 3 or more. That will be easier to comprehend, right? 3 or more. So 3 or 4. So 3, then you plus another 1, which is 4. So you get 3 plus 1 is 4 and 0.16. At most 2. At most means maximum. Maximum 2. So maximum 2. This is maximum. So it cannot go up further. It has to go down. So you have 6, 10, 5. Add up all together. Divide by the total. 0.84. E, exactly 3 or less than 2. Exactly 3 or less than 2 is actually part A and part B, right? Or that means you get part A or you get part B. So we just add the two together and you get 0.76. Okay, so this is exercise 1. So now I'm going to go to exercise 2. Exercise 2, we have 2 items here. One, this side is whether it's easy to locate or not. And this side is you have a number of visits to the mall, right? So often, occasional, rarely. So you are going to find out the chance that someone always go to the mall, but they find it difficult to find certain stores. Yeah, what's the chance? No or yes. Okay, no means not easy, yes means easy. Yeah, so the next page you just put it as easy and not easy, so that is correlate to what you have in this question. So a customer is selected at random. Just take note of the word you only take one. Okay, just choose one. Find the chance that he or she finds it easy to locate certain stores. Finds it easy. So only one thing, which is easy. So what's the total for easy? This one, right? So we have to find out the total first. This is the total. So this will have 40, 20, 10, 30, 14, 16, 30. So 40, 30, 30 give you 100. 14 and 16 give you 30, then plus 10 will be 40. So this should be 60. Okay, so find the easy. You just need to look at this row. Easy, how many easy altogether? 60. So the probability of easy, you can use E as easy. You can put the word EASY also can, will be 60 over 100 which is 0.6. Second question, you have a magic word there. The magic word is and. When you have what and what, that means these two are going to happen at the same time. Okay, so you have here and you have not easy. So which are the number that fulfills both? 14. So the probability often and not easy, you can use a symbol which is easy, and then they have a bar on top, means the complement of easy, which is not easy. Yeah, up to you which one you're going to use. So you don't need to do any calculation, you just have 14. 14 over 100, so it will be 0.14. Okay, so these two are quite straightforward because you use an N. Now we're going to look at OR. OR is a bit more work to do. So let's find out the OR. Okay, so you have rarely, you have easy. Okay, rarely, where is the rarely? Rarely is here. And you have easy. Easy is here. Okay. Oh no, we need to write again. This is 60, 40, 100. This total is 40, 30, and 30. Right, so how to find this? Let's use R for rarely, easier to write, and E for easy. R, or E, then or, that means you're going to add. But we know rarely visit and easy can happen at the same time. So if we look at this, rarely here, easy here. So this is the number of customers who rarely visit the mall, but it finds it easy to locate certain stores. So these two can happen at the same time. So there are some overlaps. So remember that you're going to minus off something because there are some overlaps. Right, so what is rarely? If you were to highlight this, it will be here, rarely 30. Then easy 60. So rarely 30, easy 60. Minus of rarely and easy, this one, minus of this, because this overlaps. There are 14 people who rarely go to the mall and also finds it easy, so 14. This gives you 76 out of 100, and it will be just 0.76. The next question. Given that, the word given that means if. So if the person finds it easy, so easy is the condition. Okay, so easy is the condition. So we have to highlight the condition. Where is the condition? Easy is the condition. Okay, I cannot use a highlighter anymore because it's already highlighted. right? So this is a whole thing which is easy. That is the condition. So when you do this question, you know that you want occasional if easy. Okay, the if easy will be the 60 here. And occasional in this easy row, okay, will be 20. You end up with 0.33. Okay, so we have 4 different types of questions that you can ask when you are given such table. Only 4 types. Then question E is just a conceptual question asking you whether 2 events are mutually exclusive or not. So you have to understand what is the meaning of mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive events are events. If 2 events are mutually exclusive, that means 2 events cannot happen at the same time. Okay, mutually exclusive events means 2 events cannot happen at the same time. So how do you prove? We know very well someone who often visit the store can also find it's not easy to locate a store. Or someone who don't find easy locating a store can be the one who often visit the store also. So these two can actually come together or happening at the same time. So they conceptually we know they are not mutually exclusive. But how do we prove that using probability? So this is a concept. If often and not easy are mutually exclusive, then the probability of they happening at the same time and okay at the same time will be just a 0 because it cannot happen at the same time. So the chance it happening at the same time, which is denoted by this n, will be a 0. So we're going to find out how much is this actually. So find out probability often and not easy. Often, not easy. This one, okay. You just I got 2 colors. 14 over 100. So we know as long as it's not 0, then this not. Okay, that's how we go. You need to know the concept of mutually exclusive first before you can proceed to do this question. So if 2 events are mutually exclusive, 2 events cannot happen at the same time. So we just need to know that if these 2 events cannot happen at the same time, then the chance of the probability of they happening at the same time should be a 0. So if we find that this probability is not a zero, then these two events are not mutually exclusive. That's it. Okay, now I go to the tutorial question. If you are done, please look at the tutorial question for topic 3. We have done question 1. We have done question 2. Yeah, question 3 I asked you to try at home. And this is the given answers. Okay. And we did question 1 here. And I asked you to do question 2 as homework. Right. So for the rest of the question, please do it as homework. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. You should be able to do all the question, and there's a final answer given to you at the bottom of each question. You can double check whether you have done it correctly. All the question here we have discussed in the lesson, so you should be able to figure out how do you actually do it and what is the question. Yep.